Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, as you can see on your screen, I'm here to announce that MomDas for MomDas Life Handmade is hosting her monthly collaboration called Bonded by DIY. She chooses two crafters to collaborate with her, showing their creations, and this month she chose Jamie from Simple Roots, Simple Living, and me. So I'm really excited, really happy, really honored, and really thankful for her, because I always dreamt of her asking me to collaborate with her. She's awesome, amazing. I admire her so much. So the collaboration is going to go live on Tuesday, March the 2nd at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You will find the links to the channels in the description box. Please visit them, watch the videos with us, and leave us some likes, comments, some love. That will help us grow our channels, and we will be very thankful for that. Hope to see you then. Have a wonderful time in the meantime, and bye-bye.